Welcome to Inside the Hiring Room. This video offers a deep dive into the hiring processes of some of the world's leading companies. We will uncover how these organizations approach recruitment, their unique methodologies, and what sets them apart in selecting top talent. Let's begin. Microsoft Interview Insights. Microsoft's interview process emphasizes problem solving, technical proficiency, and alignment with their culture. Candidates often start with online assessments covering coding and system design. Then, they move to technical interviews where problem solving in real time is crucial. Microsoft values a growth mindset and evaluates how well candidates learn and adapt. IBM Interview. IBM's hiring process blends traditional and modern elements. It starts with an aptitude and technical test that assesses analytical skills. This is followed by technical and HR interviews. IBM places a strong emphasis on innovation and how candidates can contribute to their legacy of research and development. Collaboration, diversity, and inclusion are key themes in their evaluation. 2.3 Amazon's approach. Amazon's interview process is guided by its 16 leadership principles. Candidates must demonstrate these principles through behavioral interviews. Technical candidates face coding challenges and system design problems. Amazon is known for its bar raiser approach, where one interviewer is dedicated to maintaining the company's high hiring standards. The emphasis on delivering customer obsession is non-negotiable. Google's unique process. Google has redefined hiring with its rigorous and data-driven process. Expect multiple rounds, starting with a phone screen and followed by on-site interviews focusing on coding, algorithms, and system design. Behavioral interviews test Googliness, a blend of humility, curiosity, and creativity. Google's use of structured interviews and reliance on hiring committees ensures unbiased decision-making. To HP interview process, HP adopts a structured yet approachable hiring style. The process begins with an initial resume screening, followed by technical and behavioral interviews. HP values candidates who demonstrate problem-solving abilities and a passion for innovation. Their HR interviews focus on cultural fit and long-term career aspirations, ensuring alignment with the company's mission. Apple's interview style. Apple's recruitment process is as unique as its products. It evaluates a candidate's ability to think differently. Technical interviews at Apple test problem-solving and creativity, while behavioral interviews explore the candidate's approach to challenges. Apple seeks candidates who embody passion, curiosity, and resilience. The process is collaborative, reflecting their commitment to teamwork. In Facebook's culture-focused interview, Facebook's interview process highlights its culture of openness and innovation. Technical roles involve coding challenges, system design, and debugging exercises. Behavioral interviews focus on how candidates align with Facebook's 5 core values, including move fast and be bold. The company's emphasis on cultural fit ensures that employees thrive in a collaborative environment. Accenture process. Accenture's hiring process caters to both technical and consulting roles. It starts with an aptitude test covering logical reasoning, quantitative ability, and verbal skills. This is followed by technical and HR interviews. Accenture values adaptability and customer-centric thinking. Their process emphasizes how well candidates can solve real-world problems for global clients. Palantir's technical rigor. Palantir's hiring process is designed to identify top technical talent. It starts with a coding test, followed by interviews that dive deep into algorithms and system design. Palantir evaluates how candidates approach ambiguous problems and their ability to build scalable solutions. A significant focus is placed on the candidate's collaborative and ethical approach to solving problems. TCS approach. TCS, India's leading IT services company, follows a multi-step recruitment process. The initial online test assesses aptitude, coding, and domain-specific knowledge. Technical interviews evaluate problem solving and technical depth, while HR interviews test communication skills and cultural alignment. TCS prioritizes candidates with a strong foundation in technology and a willingness to learn.